Okay, it's Sunday morning. I was asked to start at 7:30 this morning. The guys they start before me, and I've just gotten on site at 7:30. My chaser bin is full, and they're at 3/4. So as soon as I turn the key, the radio comes alive, and the boss says, "Right, get that chaser bin empty because we're at 3/4." And now we're right down the other end of the paddock. So I've got quite a commute to come to the field bins. So yeah, Sunday morning, no easy start to the day. It's straight into it. Go, go, go.